What up, what up, what up? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and as y'all can see, I am installing a wig. I was sent over some bundles from SVT Hair. They sent me 124, 226s, and an 18-inch frontal. And this frontal is a 13x4, which means it goes from ear to ear. And as y'all can see, like, this thing, you know, it really goes ear to ear because I have to cut some pieces off because it's too big. So I'm just taking some scissors and kind of cutting around my ear just to make sure, you know, it fits better behind my ear and fits nice and comfortably. Once I got it how I wanted to fit, the next step is pretty much, you know, the same old thing. Use my Got2b to tack it down to my head. So I've decided I want to style my hair in a middle part, and since I didn't let it set in a middle part, I'm going to have to use some water and finesse it to make it lay down flat on both sides. So right now I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle to kind of help with laying the hair down to this one side because it, you know, it ain't laying like it's supposed to be. It ain't laid, so I needed to get laid. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start swooping up and, you know, getting together my baby hairs, because y'all know I always like to do the baby hairs. So So this little area still isn't as flat as I want it to be, so I'm still trying to, you know, mess with it and make it lay down. So I'm about to go in with my flat iron and kind of focus on it a little bit, and then I'm gonna follow up with some of the mousse, because the mousse really gets it, you know, to be laid. So I'm gonna use the flat iron right now and then go in with some mousse, and that just makes it, you know, bring it all together. You'll see, she looking real good now. But yeah, I'm gonna follow up with a blow dryer to make sure the top dries nicely before I continue to straighten my hair and get it real nice and straight. Although this is Peruvian straight hair, I always like to straighten the hair still, you know what I'm saying, because I want it to be bone straight. Now that everything's all nice and straight, I'm just going to finish it off with some of the Got To Be Freeze spray, and this just lays down any flyaways I might have gotten while I was straightening my hair. So yeah, that's it. So now that I have the wig on and everything situated, I did my makeup. This is what it's looking like. And this wig turned out good. I think I did really good constructing and putting everything together. As I've said before, the process of making a wig I don't like too much, but the results of it, they always look so good and so full, because you get to determine how thick you want it to be. Like, this is just so full, and I just really like how it's turned out. So yeah, this was my first time trying to bleach knots. It didn't go as successful as I would have liked for it to, because I kind of did it a little too long and it ended up going a little brown over here, but you can't really see it because I went back in and tried to fix it. But yeah, anyways, I tried the whole, bleaching knots thing. It didn't work out the best, but I think, I'm starting to get more into it. I'll get better with the whole bleaching knots thing. But I feel like the frontal looks pretty good still. I cut some little bit of baby hairs. I put a little bit of baby hairs or whatever. And I plucked it myself, the frontal. Kind of thin it out, make it look natural. Natural as possible, you know what I'm saying. And then we got our part going on. This time I actually didn't even do the ball cap method. I just, I put on a regular, it was like a fishnet type of cap I put on just to help smooth my edges back. and then I just put the wig on. Well, before I put it on, I did apply a little bit of makeup to the frontal part, and then I put it on, and you know, this is what it's looking like. I think the part looks pretty good. I didn't pluck the part or anything like that. Sometimes I do that, you know, sometimes I don't. And this time I didn't, but the hair is just bomb, y'all. Another thing about the hair is it is full throughout. Sometimes you can get hair and it has those scraggly ends, but this full, baby, full. And this hair, you know what I'm saying, 26 inches, 2 26s, 124, and the frontal, I forgot what it was, but I'll put it in the video. But yeah, overall, I really like this hair. As y'all can see, it's just so luscious, thick, full. Look at that. Long, baby. Hey. So definitely make sure you check out the description box if you guys are interested in this hair. Shout out to SVT Hair for sending me this hair. I'm really enjoying it, y'all. It look real cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.